Hey you guys, it is your girl Makeup by Maura. You already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl. Okay, don't know what's going on with this guy, but whatever. I am bringing this look to you today. It's been forever since I've done a makeup video and I'm so excited about it because you guys know the girl's been trying to get these upgrades going. I got this light, it's popping, I'm popping. I got the background, it's semi-popping, you know. I'm gonna get to a better, you know, but we gonna make it work for now. I'm going to a reggae festival. I was like, oh my God, I have to do something so like just perfect for this. That's why I went ahead and added some little extra adornments. My hair, the one and only Misty, Cali Mist on Instagram, my friend, she's so bomb. Anything you need if you're in the San Diego area when it comes to hair, you holler at her and she will hook you up. I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys. I hope that you learn something. I hope that you get inspired. I hope that you go out and have some fun or just whatever. Like, I'm feeling so good and I'm so excited to go to this thing. You have no idea. Like, if my voice is a little weird or you feel like it sounded a little funny, whatever, I'm getting sick. There's nothing I can do about it, but that's okay. And just because I'm a little sick don't mean I gotta look sick, okay? So if you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and keep on watching because we're gonna get right into the video. So I'm switching it up today and I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. And I don't have to worry about it moving. It's also gonna go in and nourish, hydrate, and moisturize my skin while also being like waterproof and sweat-proof because I don't know what to expect, okay? I love to dance, so I'm gonna be probably moving around a lot. So I figured let me go ahead and just switch it up and use this guy so that this stays intact. I'm just gonna, oh God, take some of that as it's running away from me and put it on my face. And I'm not using a lot. God, do I even have any to use? Okay. And so I'm just gonna go in and blend this out with my Real Techniques brush. This is the Expert Face Brush. God, I probably should have shaved my mustache or something. I got peach fuzz like crazy. So next I am going to do my brows. I think I'm gonna do the Morphe palette. So this color here called Splendid is what I'm gonna use. Can y'all see that? I'm just taking some of that and I'm using my, this is a 266 brush by MAC. And I'm just gonna trace the shape with this. I find that I've been having more luck with shadows to do my brows, especially with the hair color change, you know. I don't want to be walking around with this light hair and these spiked brow pencil brows, you know, so certain eyeshadows give me the perfect like tone or shade for my brows. And I've been liking it. So that's done. What I'm gonna do next is just clean up. This is a 212 by MAC brush. So I'm just using this to clean up under, just because I want a crisp brow. And all I'm doing is using my foundation to do this. So I'm not using any kind of special concealer or anything like that. I'm just using the foundation that I put all over my face to clean this up. I like to work smarter and not harder, okay? And then I just like to take whatever's left on the brush and just clean up the front. Next, I'm going to take my Mineralized Skin Finish powder. This is the color Medium Tan. I typically take this shade and set it under my eyes here. I haven't worn concealer in who knows how long. Like, I just feel like it's not a necessary step for me. If I can find the shortcut and still look like I did that, then hey, I'm gonna do that. Work smarter, not harder. You know what? I think that that is gonna be my little slogan. Don't you hate when your brush sheds and it's like in your mouth? I'm also gonna take this on my eyelids too, just so I can set that since we did put foundation up there as well. That way when we do our shadows, they'll blend nice and easy and won't stick to the foundation. So I'm gonna just use that same brush because I'm lazy. Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish powder. Taking that on the other side of this brush and gonna use that around the perimeter of my face. have me not looking so like just plain and flat basically. And I literally do this very sloppily like this all the time. I just find that it makes for a more organic finish or look or feel, you know what I mean? And then I take whatever's left on the brush and run it along the bottom here just so I can get my jawbone a little chiseled and hide this double chin right here, okay? You wanna hide that guy, hide him. We're not trying to have him come out and play today, okay? I like to go back in with my medium tan and just go in around the edges of that because I want everything to just be really blended. I'm like, oh, I'm so OCD about blending, you guys. And that way it's just soft. So it's just like this soft, you see what I mean? Instead of like line. And what I'm gonna do now is take the same brush. It'll make your life easier too, because when you're done, you gotta clean all this shit up. You only have to clean like 3 brushes. Kind of feeling that I want a little contour action on this nose here. So our face is like complete now, and now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the eyes. Well, I think I'm gonna go with the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. This color is called Candied Peach, okay? So this is gonna be like my transition color. I haven't done a tutorial in a long time, you guys. And I don't even know if I should call this a tutorial. Do you guys even learn anything from me? Like, I'm just doing my makeup and showing you guys what I do. Maybe it is a tutorial. And I'm excited about it because I have a new light. I'm looking at myself right now and I feel like I just look bomb as the fuck, okay? Not bomb as fuck, but bomb as the fuck, okay? That's how I feel right now. So next, I am going to take this shade down here, which is called Summer Yum, and apply it on the outer portion of my eye here. And then I'm gonna slowly bring that up and blend it into the first color, the Candied Peach, and just bring it over a little bit just so we can add a little bit more definition in the crease. So now for the fun part, I'm going to take this color, which is the olive that I'll be using on my lid, and it's called Bless Her Heart. And so I'm just kind of packing this on at first where I want it. Really? So I'm gonna go back in with Summer Yum and just kind of place it back on the edge here and blend that into the green and back into the crease some. So what I'm gonna do next is take Candied Peach with this 217 brush. I just wiped it off, and I'm going to take it under here. So all along the lower lash line is where I'm putting this. I'm gonna take the Summer Yum color, so the deeper color that we used on the lid, and put that right in my lash line here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this shade here in the Morphe palette called Bruise. I'm gonna take that and put some of that on top here, right on the outer portion of my lower lash line. I am a little extra. I'm gonna take these little things. When we had our Snowball collection come out, it was the little rhinestone thing, so I'm gonna use 2 of them. I'm taking some Duo, the white glue, and I think I'm gonna put these gems right here. Under my eyeball. Okay guys, so I went ahead and popped on my lashes and did my mascara. So this is what the look looks like now. I didn't want to do liner or anything. I just kind of wanted this like lashy kind of look, which I've been loving lately. I've just been loving lashes as opposed to a bunch of liner. I used to be the winged liner queen, okay, but those days are over. And so for blush, just to kind of keep the pink vibes going, so this is called Pinch Me, and it's just in my palette that I have. And it's by MAC, and I'm gonna put that on my cheeks just to give me that nice blushing look. I'm gonna take a little bit of that blush and put it up here above my eyebrows. just because I'm extra as fuck. And I'm also going to take some of this blush and put it on the under part of my nose here, just because I think that's cute too. And I'm going to a festival, so it's like I'm not going overboard with like crazy lines all over my face and stuff like that, but just like a cute little button nose type of deal with this blush on the tip. For lips, I'm going with my Jordana lip liner in the color Tawny, and then I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick in the color Modesty. So neutral lip, but still with that pink. Get your life together. So neutral lip, just still with that somewhat pink hue to it. So the last thing that I'm going to do is highlight. I'm gonna go in my MAC 15 Warm Neutral palette. I want something goldy and shimmery, so I'm gonna take this one, which is called Creative Copper, and put it everywhere, like I always do. So this is the finished look. Okay, we are done and serving. So now it's time for them popping ass slow-mos, and then I'll be back to do my outro. Okay. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I am really happy with it and excited about it and excited to go to this event, okay? I think it's awesome. I think it's like simple, but still with that little touch of oomph, I guess, you know what I mean? That little bit of extraness that I always gotta have, you know what I'm saying? And this is my top, so it's just a, it's like a crop top. I got on black tights, and oh, let me show you my boots. They're just floral print, kind of like combat boot type shoes. I don't know. I have a very unique style. I love kind of mixing classiness, edginess, uniqueness, a little bit of ratchet. You know what I mean? Like, I just kind of like to merge all of those in my personal style, but these are my shoes that I'm gonna wear. Well, all right, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. This is a really good look just for any kind of occasion, because I feel like it's like, wow, but not like super glam, but not super like played down either. It's just like the perfect touch of something. I don't know, I love it, and you can use it for all kinds of things. So I hope that this inspired some of you guys. Maybe you can use this look and maybe you learned something, or like some techniques. I don't know, that's what I'm here for though. I hope you got something away from this video. You guys already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl, okay? I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl. You already know, like, comment, subscribe, okay? Talk to me down here. Follow me on my social medias down in the thing below. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just feeling super good today, despite the sickness that's coming on. Like, I feel good. I'm about to go to this festival, okay? And just have a good old time. Yep. But that's it, y'all. You already know. I'll see you in my next video.